Good morning, friends. Today I am back with the 27th Rangoli in the Rangoli series presented by Mrs. Durga. Now, this Rangoli looks like a bird flying from one direction to other. And as you see, the wings are here, which has been wide extended, and the bird appears to be flying in one direction. Right? Okay, so let us begin. So I present it over to Mrs. Durga to begin with the Rangoli. This Rangoli has 10 dots on the row wise and 10 dots on the column wise. Right? So it means you will have a square pattern initially. Right. Now the dots are being drawn clearly. Now let us draw a heart sign, leaving one corner spot. We're drawing the heart sign here. So right. So the four plus signs are being drawn. We locate the central spot. And there also we put a plus sign. We put a double W. At each of the sides of the square, as shown here, and extend the stems, and then join these stems by straight lines. When we join it, we see to it that it doesn't touch any of the dots, except for the dots present in the heart. And then we use curly braces to connect the dots, the adjacent dots, so that it looks like a flower, and join all of them, right? So fine. So now the Rangoli is complete, and as you see a bird which is being flowing from one end to another end, and there's a pattern in between. Thank you, friends, for watching. So share and subscribe for our channel for more updates. Thank you.